राजा आज तो राकेश नहा के आया।
पानी थोड़ा ज्यादा था आज।
आज सभी पूछ रहे हैं, आज डैनी पूछ रहा था कि पता नहीं क्या बात हुई, तो ये राकेश थोड़ी ना रणबीर है। मैंने कहा राजा बस पूछो मत। हरिओम हरिओम हरिओम। आपका कब नहीं नहीं, अभी है, अभी और नहीं दूंगा, खबरदार। ये मसाला आप ही डालते हो, बहुत मसाला नहीं डालते। मैं आपके क्या चाहिए बस। काली मिर्च वाली चाय। श्री सच्चिदानंद सदगुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय। पुत्र, who always continue to doing Om? Om. Om. 2 days break. 2 days break. अच्छा. Otherwise, Om. Sometimes. रणबीर जी आप ओम कर रहे हैं? सवेरे उठ के नहीं करते हैं। अच्छा अच्छा, चले पुत्र पहले 2 मिनट ओम उच्चारण करके then we'll go to the prayer section for Dr. Rajneesh Talwar. He is in the hospital. We need to pray for him. सच्चिदानंद सदगुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय। Baba, we want to first take this opportunity to pray for him. Gurmeet Dhanjal ji, she is getting better. She has been moved to the rehab, but
what's next?
let's do Mahamrityunjay for Dr. Rajneesh Talwar and Baba. Gurmeet ji, she is moved to the rehab, but give her strength to come out so she can easily come out. Huh? We'll do Mahamrityunjay for
We
both.
have a member too. She's also on the ventilator.
Where?
Trillium.
Why don't you send the message in? Whenever there is a situation, just send their name and details. Like we just posted like that only. This is पुत्र सौभाग्य है, ये हमेशा ध्यान रखो. If you get an opportunity to pray for somebody, nothing better karma you can do. किसी को खाना देना, किसी के लिए प्रार्थना करना मन से सबसे उत्तम कार्य है पुत्र, सबसे उत्तम कार्य है. What is her name?
Hansa.
Hansa. So Baba, we will do Mahamrityunjay and please to Hansa, Dr. Talwar and Gurmeet ji, take our prayers, we dedicate it to you and you take care of them the way you want to. It is just a facilitation service which can help. We'll do Mahamrityunjay. Om Triambakam Yajamahe सुगंधिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं 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 पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनात् मृत्योर्मोक्षीयमामृतात्। Deva, Deva. Putra, today I was just thinking since yesterday night, you know, that what is it that is always of interest to us? And what came up is that all the time, what we are more interested is to know what about others? What are they thinking? What are they doing? How are they behaving? And we start making our judgments accordingly. Not only making judgments, but we all started reacting to it. Majority of homes have the conversation, what happened to the next door, to the family, friend. Most of the discussions are that. And based on somebody said some information they gave you, or right and wrong, don't know, but you start reacting to that information what you have. And what happens is when you're reacting to that, you have started including your own thoughts also into it. That's the other thing we start doing it. Like, it doesn't matter. Important is not that. Important is that if you can be a good help, be a good help. If you can help, guide, support, for sure do it. But if you think you cannot make a difference, then don't react to it. Without knowing what the facts are, without knowing what the reality is, and what exactly, because you may see what has happened in the other side, you have no clue. Based on some statement, some judgment, some conversation, you came to a judgment. Oh, sure. Good, bad, ugly. And we lose our peace of mind, and we lose our internal completely. Which is okay. If that is how it is, it is it. It is okay. See, anybody and everybody who has done anything good and bad has to pay. And there is no exception in this world for nobody. This is the difference. See?
We don't have anyone to talk.
What is key, Raja, in today's time? A key factor is all of us in our lives, day-to-day basis, need prayers. All of us, day-to-day life, need compassion to do something good. Compassion towards goodness. On a day-to-day basis, we need to know what we need to give. Day-to-day basis. Why give? Maybe give it to, like, last time how we discussed last time, how do you take care of your family, your children, your spouse, your parents, your grandparents, your brothers, just whoever. What is that you have for them to give? What is most needed is what you can give others in a good way, if you have goodness to give. But if you don't have goodness to give, in a bad way you'll give whatever you have. Always have something, sometimes even with our children, anybody, we have a different kind of expectations on them. We have started setting targets for them. Instead of facilitating it, instead of making it smoother, we have started taking it differently. Instead of realization of understanding, we have started pushing it. Today's time is where you need to make things very smoother, very smoother. Smooth in a sense, like how that water flows. If there is any hurdle, supposedly there's a whirlpool in that, or there's a bigger stone in that, what will happen? It'll keep hitting it, and you will see that difference in that. You will not be able to move that rock. You have to bypass that. The obstacles to create are easy. Distractions in your life is easy to create. What is most important? If you know how Sri Krishna in Gita very beautifully has put on. He tried everything possible before making any judgments. He understood everything before passing anything out. But today we don't do that. Do we do that? No. We are ready for giving anything. I told something, you said something, he said something, and it goes on. It doesn't matter. We don't take a break, we don't take a step back to understand, is it true? Did it happen the way it is being narrated? Shall we jump? Shall we not jump? Yesterday, I'll give you this example how Almighty plays role. I'll give you a story of Dr. Talwar, the message, how it came. So this family calls up that we want to do food donation. Wonderful. They were trying to go to the warehouse. They said, no, no, we'll come down to where at the Saidham will come down more. Sure, come. The moment they come, they reach. First thing they said, Saira. Saira. After giving up, can we have darshan? Sure, you can have darshans. Come. Is it open? Yes, it is open. While she was doing darshan, still I need a no. Also, I need a prayer for my brother. He's a doctor, and he's in the hospital, and he's got impacted by COVID in India. I was thinking that how Baba plays that role. He pulled those people because everybody is closed. No temples are open, obviously, right? And brought them to get us the opportunity for prayer for them and get them the peace. For them, it is peace. For them, it is an opportunity. Opportunity of what? Opportunity of praying. Both ways. What is most needed? What is most important? Most important aspect is if you have faith in him, please continue to have faith in him. Don't your everybody has a different communication with Baba. Everybody has different communication with Baba. Your understandings could be very high, your understandings could be very, it's up to you. But it makes it easier if you're simpler and have faith, he'll take care of you. Provided you're doing what he wants you to do. Today, we are losing ourselves out of fear, self fear. Either we don't have this, either we don't have that, we need this, we need that. So much factors. Our expectations have gone beyond. And in this process, unfortunately, the fears have gathered around us so much that we don't know what happiness is. We don't know what peace is. And peace with whom? Peace with self. Not peace with others, peace with self. Because if we have lost the peace in self, there is no possibility of us giving happiness and peace to anybody else. We have lost that. Till the time a child is 3 years old, 4 years old, 5 years old, 6 years old, we all love that child like anything. Why? That child doesn't it reacts to what you react to it. You child, do the child like shall start crying. But the moment you start to love that child, he starts smiling, blinking, wants to hold your finger, comfortable in your arms. All that goodness will come around it automatically. I just feel today we should take the opportunity to pray for not only our own self to get peace, and don't take it peace in a sense that ओ शांत होना, नहीं, शांत होने की बात नहीं कर रहे. To give peace to our thoughts, unwanted thoughts. Give peace, or inside us gets that part that unwanted things gets away from us. We are able to live in a right direction. We are able to breathe in a good environment. Environment, not again a home environment or society environment, our own environment. Somebody who think, maybe you think, oh, he's done a bad karma, right? But you think you are maybe having something that you know or you don't know. Don't lose your peace. Baba says, leave it things to me and I will take care. Good, bad, or ugly, I will. And for that, I just feel today we should take out some time to really come very smooth. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. 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 Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate 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 Vasudevaya. ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। 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 ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेव। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। 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 Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti Om. It was really amazing, Raja. It was very amazing. In my illusion, because Bhagavan's darshan is very beyond, right? But the end, when we were completing 108 part of it, right? As if we were completing that, the beauty, whatever time we completed, I don't know what we did, but whatever we completed, I could just feel the Narayan's face part of it very well. Let's let, because darshan is beyond. It is just that thought of in Venkateshwar Swami's, the trump and then his face, amazing. In my illusions, but I enjoyed the illusion.
आपको चाय भी ले लो।
है ना, तो मैं लेता हूँ।
That's a statement in itself. Enjoying your illusion.
हाँ मेरा बच्चा, see, what happens is that it is very difficult sometimes to define what it is. What you feel is what you enjoy. So telling anything beyond, because see, for everybody else to say this part of it, it becomes harder. Maybe what I'm feeling, I'm enjoying it, but you may not feel it. So the problem could be just my imagination, right? My illusion or my imagination, but I'm enjoying my imagination illusion. I loved it. So nothing wrong in this. See, if your imagination or your illusion is towards Bhagavan and you are enjoying that, enjoy it, mera bacha. Please enjoy it. The more you can enjoy his presence in your illusion also, nothing wrong. Enjoying it, not cashing it out. They are two different things. Normally people do, they will encash it. It is not encashment. I've seen this part, Putter. People sometimes have this understanding that, oh, मैंने बाबा से बात कर ली, मैंने बाबा से पूछ लिया, मैंने बाबा को कर दिया, and whatever. बाबा ने मेरे को ही कर. Perfect, probably. But don't go into other part. Enjoy that part. Enjoyment means your fulfillment of your body should feel it. Till the time it is goodness for others, share it, give it. But don't try to be owner of it. Don't try to own it. Because he can pick up anybody tomorrow. He can do anything to anybody tomorrow. The feeling I'm having today, tomorrow you can, anybody can have. See, we are all in a temporary situation, all of us. You may agree, not agree. We have, unfortunately, we have created a circumference of our own self, a diagram of our lives. We have started to kill my children. My focus is my family. My. We have unfortunately done that. Wrongfully or rightfully, don't know. But we have done that. But remember one thing, Raja, very important. Wherever you were given the opportunity to grow, you will have to come back to that place again. You will have to come back. If you were protected from somewhere, you will have to go back there again. Have to. Please, my only request is be humble. Be humble. Let the water flow. You will enjoy and you will know. We may have different thoughts in ourselves. We may our justification may be saying it, I like it. Please like it. But does your self-realization, does your understanding say that the same thing? Rakesh, any question, mera bachcha?
You have to come back to वो क्या मतलब था?
उसमें क्या मेरा बच्चा? If you have somebody, suppose it, say, in your childhood or somewhere, somebody holded your hand. किसी ने हाथ पकड़ा और हाथ पकड़ के आपकी यात्रा शुरू करी. I'm talking about a journey of the spiritual aspect, not the world journey. Remember that day, जिस दिन कभी किसी ने आपका हाथ पकड़ा हो और आपकी यात्रा शुरू करी हो, कहीं ना कहीं आपको वहीं उस हाथ की ओर जाना ही पड़ता है, क्योंकि मार्ग वहीं से होता है राजा, क्योंकि उद्गम वही है. आपका उद्गम है वो. आपने उद्गम से कोई बच नहीं सका आज तक. ये उद्गम की कृपा है कि वो आपको कहीं भी कनेक्ट करे. वो उद्गम की कृपा है. आपको कहीं से कनेक्ट करता चला जाए, दैट इज हिज ग्रेस, बिकॉज दे ऑलवेज हैड अ थॉट ऑफ लविंग यू, केयरिंग फॉर यू. हम लोग क्या करते हैं राजा? हम लोग जंप करते हैं. स्टार्ट जंपिंग. Jump is not a solution. When you find peace for your soul, that's it, पुत्र. That's it. बाबा ने साइंस चरित्र में लिखा राजा, जहां तुम्हारी आत्मा को शांति मिले वही तुम्हारा परम धाम है. Where you get peace for your soul, that is your place. That's it. Nothing beyond that. If you start punching that place, you start getting that, you start making holes, you start punch holing it, you are going to destroy yourself. You will destroy yourself. क्योंकि जहां से मार्ग मिला वहीं को छेदना शुरू कर दिया, तो अपने अंत को अपने तैयारी कर दी, अपनी बर्बादी की तैयारी कर दी आपने. आप अपनी बर्बादी से बच नहीं सकते. अब आप भाई, अगर एक सीधी सी बात, अगर मैंने आपको बोला एक आसन है, आप उस आसन को ही खराब करना शुरू करोगे तो क्या होगा? सोने की जगह रहेगी? नहीं रहेगी। Raja, my only request to all of you is that on a day-to-day basis, do something different. Don't start jumping onto things. Somebody said something, something, something. I send you a text message. You forward that text message. Nowadays, I see that people take a forward messages are more than direct messages. There are more forward messages. What is the story behind everything? We don't know. We don't know the reality. We don't know what is the truth. How are we making judgment? My humble request, Raja, humble request to all of you. We are in a temporary journey, Raja. None of us is permanent. Nobody is permanent. But this opportunity of a human body is the beauty. Please, on a day-to-day basis, start thinking what different can you do beside your own greed and need. Besides your own fear. ये नहीं होगा तो ये कैसे होगा, ये नहीं होगा तो don't worry about it. You know, we've been talked about this bhajan many times, and today also I'll repeat that bhajan again. गोविंद मेरी यही प्रार्थना है, भूलो न मैं नाम कभी भी तुम्हारा, निष्काम होके मैं दिन रात गाऊं, गोविंद दामोदर ये तुम्हारा। भूलो न भाइयों हरि गुण गाओ, क्या साथ लाए हो क्या ले चलोगे, गोविंद मेरी यही प्रार्थना है, भूलो न मैं नाम कभी भी तुम्हारा। क्या साथ लाए हो क्या ले चलोगे, न पति न पत्नी न बच्चे न माता पिता न सखा न बंधु, कुछ भी तो साथ नहीं जाएगा। आपने ऐसा क्या किया जो साथ जाएगा? आप सारी जिंदगी इसमें लगे रहे कि मैं अपने बच्चों को सुखी कर दूं, अपने परिवार को सुखी कर दूं, मैं उनके लिए ये जमा कर दूं, मैं उनके लिए वो जमा कर दूं। स्वयं के लिए क्या जमा किया? झूठ भी बोला, सच भी बोला, सब कुछ किया, पर स्वयं के लिए क्या किया? आज झूठ सच करके परिवार तो चला लिया, चलो इमारत भी बना ली, यू डिड एवरीथिंग, यू गॉट एवरीथिंग, बट व्हाट हैव यू डन? अगर मैं इस क्षण बैठे बैठे आपसे बात करते करते मेरी मृत्यु हो जाए, ये शरीर त्याग दूं, मेरे साथ वही जाने वाला है जो पिछले कुछ क्षणों में या मेरे लास्ट श्रीमुख में जो भी शब्द होगा वो जो होगा। इसीलिए कहते हैं हर वक्त एक चीज का ध्यान रखना, एक चीज का, आप अपने मुंह से जो कुछ भी कहने वाले हो हो सकता है वो आपके अंतिम शब्द हो, उसके बाद कहने का मौका भी ना मिले। ये ध्यान रखना। देवा, अगर हमारे यही शब्द आखिरी होने वाले हैं, किसी को बुरा बोल के, किसी को अच्छा बोल के, आपके ऊपर है, मेरे ऊपर नहीं है। मैंने बुरा किया, उसका भुगतान मुझे देना है। मैंने अच्छा किया, उसका भी भुगतान मुझे देना है। पर यह ध्यान रखना कि किसी को कुछ भी कहने से पहले कहीं अगर वो मेरे शब्द आखिरी हुए तो किस किस को उसका भुगतान देना पड़ेगा, आपको कोई अंदाजा नहीं है। इसी बात से आज यहां विश्राम करते हैं और सभी के लिए प्रार्थना करते हैं पहले। लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु, समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु, लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु, समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु, लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु, समस्त लोका सुखिनो भवन्तु। आप सोचो, अगर हमारे यही शब्द आखिरी हो तो कितना आनंद है। ये स्वयं के लिए कुछ नहीं, स्वयं के लिए कुछ नहीं मांगा हमने, तो क्या सौभाग्य होगा। दिस इज माई लास्ट पार्ट। क्योंकि अगर इंसान अपनी मृत्यु के लिए तैयार नहीं है तो समझ लेना कि वो भंवर से बाहर नहीं है। बस। साई राम प्रभु, साई।